human word annul or annal. In Latin, annulus, annulus and annus, both these words mean ring. This is in ancient Latin, and this is in later ancient, it become annulus. So sometimes this u is replaced with e. So both these words give the meaning ring. Ring. Now these words we see which contains the annul or annal. Now this means, if we break this word, then it is annal plus id. Id is actually, it is the French word which mean group or binary. It means group or binary. So annelid means it is, we can say, the composed of rings. Now it means actually this is the many group of rings like this, like you can say like this. So some insect has this kind of skin which has the binary or the group of rings, like you can say the leech. So this is the insect, or you can say simply composed, or the phylum of insect. Phylum is the race of, already we have done, of insect or organism composed of rings. That means example is leech. Now this is annular. So R already, R or all mean related or pertaining. That means annul is ring and R is pertaining. So we can say alike the ring. Alike the ring or alike the ring or related to ring. Now this is annular eclipse. Now annular is alike and eclipse is like when the body is like moon eclipse and sun eclipse, we say. This is when their alignment is if they come in the same alignment, moon, sun and earth, then eclipse happen. So annular eclipse is like a ring shaped. This is ring shaped eclipse. And what is eclipse? Eclipse is, suppose this. Now this is ec is equal to x. Actually this x is double consonant, and if I make here, then it become three consonant together, and it is because consonant does not have sound, therefore it is difficult to pronounce. So normally three consonants never come together. Very rarely three consonants come together. So this X is here. If C followed by some vowel, then definitely we can write it X. So here eclipse. Now what is lips? This is actually Greek word lipo. Lipo means I live. That means eclipse means, the complete meaning of eclipse means missing or lost. Missing or lost. So eclipse in the situation of eclipse, moon is lost. That means moon is not seen. But in annular eclipse, it is seen but partially, like in the shape of a ring. Now this is again the same word. Oh sorry, this is not the same word. Actually here is annulate. Now this actually let mean small part. That means it is like, we can say, the small ring. Now this is annulosa. Now this word we know, oja or ous. This word means full of. This is suffix, and in this case, and sometimes it is us also. So this mean, and also os. Now this is composed of rings or full of, like same like the first, full of rings. Now this is simply direct from Latin, annulus is ring. Now this is annus. Actually it is also ring, but where we use this word, this annus is the actually ending or end of the alimentary canal. That means it is the part, because it is ring shaped, so it is used, it is ring shaped, but it is the end of alimentary canal. What is canal? Canal is a passage, and this is alimentary, already alimony, and this is actually, we know alimentary is like food. This is food. Alimentary is food, and this is passage. This is passage. Now biannulate. Now it is composed of two rings. It is, we can say, composition of two rings. Bi mean, actually the word bi mean two. It is also Latin word bis. Bis mean two, and its genitive is benis. So sometimes it is bini, and the binary word also made from this word, bine. Actually this is genitive, so bine is genitive of bi. Now this is annular ligament. Now liga is bind. So actually this is, you can say, ligo mean I bind. So ligament is in our muscles, which the muscles which tie the bones, that is ligament. So it is a ring shaped ligament or muscle. Ligament is a, like you can say, it is a tie, it is a rope, such kind of meaning we can take. So these are the words